Who's gonna ambush them? I guess Brandon's gonna get out.
I'm assuming Brandon's already here.
Are you guys low? I'm just thinking, you know, if they think we have $40,000 in cash, you want to stay low.
Yeah, this is true.
I'm trying to think of where I would like to be. Angled.
There's Pierogi.
Yeah, I'm just gonna back up right here.
All right, what's the play here?
I mean, I just say, hey, you are riding around picking up scammed money from innocent people.
Does anybody have a good angle with a camera that can zoom in the windshields?
I mean, we could circle around.
There's the SUV pulling in. Isn't that? Oh, they're leaving.
I find someone in that Audi.
It's just their failure to identify themselves because they're sus.
This is our guy right here.
What if that actually is our guy?
Yeah, he walked out of the car, yeah.
Which window?
Yeah, that's the dude right here. This guy that's walking around next to the BMW. He's looking around. He's going up and down.
He's walking
Yep.
the direction too.
Yep, here he comes. That's the dude right there.
Please let your client know to get out of the car now. Okay.
That's the dude right there.
Oh no.
He went back to his car, man?
Yeah, he went back to his car.
Is he leaving?
He's leaving.
Let's follow him.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah,
Let's freaking follow him, dude.
He's pulling around.
He's driving around. He's probably scoping out.
He's full.
All right, we're gonna tail him and get his license plate.
Well, you can get his license plate right now.
He's turning left.
So he's the one that's going left.
Yeah, it definitely is.
Yeah, this is for sure the dude.
It's definitely this.
I'm gonna try it around.
All right, CX14. Wait, no, CX. Is that I or an L?
That's an accident.
It's CXI or CXL49. Fulton County. Fulton County, Georgia.
There's no way he sees us.
Yeah.
Dude, that would make a lot of sense.
Yeah. Why? I wonder why he's driving around. I guess he's scouting it out too.
Yeah.
Pierogi, something on him?
Yeah, I'm right behind
We're
him.
literally right behind him.
Do you think you could like get him to get out and like meet you somewhere in the Lowe's or something?
I mean, someone's gonna have to decoy it. Because
I'll meet
Jim
him right now. Tell him I'll meet him in the Lowe's.
is he piecing out?
I don't know.
There he is. He's pulling back into the parking lot.
Yeah, he's definitely up there, guy.
Tell him I'm going to meet him in the Lowe's. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out of the car. Just film me.
I'm gonna follow around.
Is that Pete?
Yeah, it's Pierogi.
Is he walking up to the van?
Yeah, they're going up. Right here. Right in front of us, behind his truck, behind the Ford.
What you doing out here? We're getting clear enough audio from each person. Basically center it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because if that's the case, then we can get away with doing 2 Cinnies and then possibly, 2 over there.
Yeah.
But that's what I would try first. We're trying to set up. We got a bunch of hackers coming in. So it's looking good.
We're gonna toss them all wavelengths, I assume, because they need to be able to call and stuff, right?
I don't think a lot of them are going to be doing phone calls.
That's fair.
I think you'll have a few, but I don't think a lot of them are. I think realistically what it's going to be is if they have a connection, then it's figuring out what to do to that scammer.
What are you about to do?
What am I about to do?
Yeah.
Well, I just got some good news because I've been trying to get a secret guest. I mean, we're having a lot of special guests, but I wanted a very secret guest. We're really excited. Only you and I know.